Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get NBA 2K25 mobile in your Android phone. So I'll show you how you can get it. If you're not able to get it from the Play Store, that is normal. So first of all, you just need to open a browser. You can use Chrome browser or any other browser, whatever you like, and just open the Google. And once you open the Google, so you just need to search here NBA 2K25 APK download. Once you write down, just click on search, and you will see all these websites as you can see up to down and latest mode APK Pure. Like these three websites are the top websites which can give you the like application for free. So you can simply download from the first one or second one. Let's say I want to download from the first one. Latest mode APKs. Just click on this one, and it will take you to directly here. As you can see, NBA 2K25 APK. Just click on NBA 2K25 download for Android. Once you click here, it will start processing your link. Your link is almost ready, as you can see. Just click on this download button. And once I click here, it might take few seconds to load. Just wait for it and it will start downloading. So once you're at this page, as you can see, this is our APK file. Just click on view in app, or you can just simply click on download. Just close the ad. Don't open the ad, just close it. And as you can see, it is started downloading. So if I go to download, and now as you can see, it is basically 1.74 GB. The file is being downloaded. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can download it.